Transportation is the lifeblood of the modern world.
Transportation keeps businesses running.
Shelves stocked, customers happy.
It brings people together and helps ideas spread.
Tonnage is the measurement of everything mankind makes.
Every day, billions of tons cross the world to where they're needed most.
And almost all of them are, at some point, transported by truck.
Always On is a vision of a world in constant motion, where the entire system is connected and trucks never run empty.
Where smart solutions make every journey more efficient and sustainable.
Digital services put fleet owners and drivers in control like never before.
Always On is the ultimate goal of our customers. Always On is our attitude in order to make everything possible for them. Tradition is how our brands, MAN, Scania, and Volkswagen, Campeón, and Omnibus, built up skills over decades.
Tradition creates a culture where expertise and teamwork are valued and protected.
Tradition gives people the strength to face the unknown and turn challenges into opportunities.
Transformation is the process of change.
And change is everywhere.
Technology is changing.
Industries are changing.
Customers are changing.
Transformation means improving the world by improving yourself.
Transformation lets you become greater than the sum of your parts.
Independent and free to make the big decisions the world needs. TRATON, the new name for Volkswagen Truck and Bus.